So, David's main, lamb cutlets. I did something similar in this round, so I know that he's up against it with that. There's a lot of elements. You've got kale, you've got colcannon, so potatoes there, then the endive, as well as a port and rosemary jus. It's a lot to balance. David pulls this off. I'll be buying him a pint later. He's doing really well.
Take your time, David. You've got plenty of time. 3 minutes, David.
Good.
You got it all done, mate, didn't you?
Did it all, chaps.
You got it all done. I like your presentation.
Wow.
You've got to go now.
OK. Good afternoon.
Hi.
Thank you. Today I've made for you lamb cutlets with the port and rosemary jus, colcannon with leek and kale, thyme and orange glazed carrots, some caramelised endive, and some roasted tomatoes. Hope you enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. You don't need the carrots. You don't need the tomatoes. If he'd have just stuck with the endive, the lamb and the colcannon seasoned properly, I think he'd have had a really good dish. It's showing through that he's giving himself too much to do.
Too much.
The lamb is cooked beautifully. It really is lovely and soft. It's perfect. Yeah, I mean, it's just short of a really, really tasty dish. Having said that, I'm finishing that lamb because it really is the star on the plate.
Love the pink lamb, love it. And I love that sweet jus he's serving it with, flavoured with rosemary. Some really nice touches there. 15 minutes, and then dessert goes, yeah?
Thank you, yes. Right, here we go.
So dessert, baked peaches in santo with crushed amaretti, fresh raspberries, tuaca mascarpone and an almond tuile.
So you're confident now?
I'm happier now,
What about
yeah.
tuiles? What's happening with tuiles?
I'm behind on the tuiles, I'm afraid.
I like the idea of the fruit with the texture of the crushed amaretti biscuits, and obviously love mascarpone. If he gets the tuile right, I could be sold.
2 minutes, David.
Come on.
What else needs to go on this dessert, then?
Just the cream. We are done. Done.
You have got through a remarkable amount of work.
Right, let's go. For dessert, I've prepared for you a roasted peach with amaretto, flavoured with vino santo, a tuaca-flavoured mascarpone cream, a tuile biscuit and some raspberries, and I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you
very much. You know what? This looked awful, but I don't care what it looks like if it tastes like this. I'll eat it all, thanks very much. Yeah, happy. Really happy with this one.
That topping is so delicious. I'm loving the texture contrast between the crunchy top, the delicious cream. Really tasty, really tasty.
It's not avant-garde, it's not trendy, it's just a crowd pleaser. And that's the point of it. David's making food that people want to eat.
It's a sort of dish you look down and realise you've eaten it.